Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you here the GLADICER. It's a vegetable chopper, professional onion chopper, a multifunctional mandoline slicer, a food chopper for vegetable. You can cut or dicer a veggie chopper with 5 blades, or if you only need, you can also buy it with 3 blades. But in this case here, I think the 5-blade version is much better than the 3-blade version, because you have though a big bunch of possibilities to slice and chop with that. Enlarged storage container with lids is included too. Really cool. The onion chopper is made of high-quality stainless steel and food-grade plastic. The BPA-free and durable. The heavy-duty stainless steel blade is sharp enough, and the high-quality stainless steel blade can perfectly chop onions and carrots in an instant, or a chop whole cabbage to make coleslaw. The vegetable cutter is the best gift for wives and mother cooking enthusiasts. Of course, for boys and chefs too. The veggie chopper has 5 interchangeable blades for julienne, grating, slicing with ease. The built-in chop lid lets us cut foods directly into the collection tray without the mess of a knife and cutting board. The storage container lets us hold prepared vegetables in the vegetable cutter until we are ready to begin cooking. The stainless steel retains razor sharpness for the crisps, smooth cutting and grating. The 5 interchangeable blades snap in and out with ease, too. We cut potatoes, tomatoes, cucumber, carrots, and more and more and more. The multifunctional vegetable cutter meets almost all our vegetable cutting needs. Oh yes! The manual food chopper offers an effective hand protector for protecting our fingers from accidental nicks. And they have lock buckle design. It can fix the blade during use, which is more safer. All the blades can store inside the vegetable chopper container after using it. So it is a room wonder. Store it in your cabinet, in your kitchen, and if you need it, get it out, and easy setup, and then you can chop any vegetable you like, or fruit, or nearly other stuff, of course. We use the container that comes with the multifunction chopper to free up the space on the countertop. The vegetable slicer can be completely disassembled. We use a cleaning brush to scrub off the residue on the pressure plate, and the residue on the blade can be wiped clean. It can be easily cleaned in a few minutes by using the matching scrubbing fork, or you get it into a dishwasher, or you get it into a hand wash job. That's really easy, convenient, and fast. This is the must-have kitchen tool. The GLADICER vegetable cutter is a versatile kitchen tool, perfect for preparing salads, onions, garlic, diced vegetables, and more. It increases the efficiency of our vegetable preparation and is coarse and uniform to meet our diverse needs. And with a clear, large capacity container, it reduces the space requirement for a kitchen, countertops, and minimize the mess. We have heavy-duty stainless steel blades, and if you buy the version with the 5 blades, of course we have 5 ultra sharp stainless steel blades. They will stay sharp and can help us to chop fruits, vegetables, and of course cheese, either for helping us prepare meals in no time. Everything we need is the multifunctional all-in-one kitchen gadget here. Oh yeah. On the market, there is an GLADICER 2, but this GLADICER is a smaller version. With this, you can make noodles out of vegetables. This is a cool thing too, and I think it's the best way to use this small gladiator to make noodles out of vegetables. And this big one here, this professional gladiator, is for the big one job with the 5 interchangeable blades. This vegetable cutter can satisfy us with slicing, shredding, dicing, cutting, chopping, peeling, mincing, grating, and more and more and more. 5 functions will help us to prepare food easier and more efficiently. And it's really easy to disassemble and save. We simply replace the blades and lock them in place. As easy as it gets and save at the same time. We go from slicing to dicing in no time. This manual food chopper provides an effective hand protector that will protect our fingers from accidental cuts too. A cleaning brush, it is also provided for easier cleaning of the blades itself. Easy to store, and we have a food storage container included. Easy to store, it can be used as a fresh box for the freezer or the fridge. The old blades and the accessories can be stored in storage containers to save the cabinet space. The lid seal the containers tightly to protect our food from air and water while keeping it fresh. It can be used as a fridge organizer case to keep the vegetables fresh and odor-free in the freezer or in the refrigerator. Easy keasy, that's really cool. Or you can use the gladiator tank to make a fresh salad in it. For example, you use tomatoes, you use paprika, you use what else? Onion. You will use some kinds of other vegetables and slice them and dice them here into the container. And of course, then get a little bit of oil onto it. In the container, you can add a little bit of oil. You can add some nuts, for example, or a little bit of salad sauce, and then you can enjoy your salad and meal out of the gladiator without the top gladiator pro chopper, of course, but in the fresh box underneath. Really cool system. It does not need a power supply. It is a manual thing. It's easy to disassemble. It's easy to make fresh and nice food with the gladiator. The GLADICER vegetable chopper here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give my positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.